What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and today I wanted to check in with you guys to see how you're doing on your flares, right? How are you doing? Are you able to get around? Are you able to kick both legs? Are you able to make, one complete flare, or are you able to do multiple flares? Flares are something that took me a very long time to learn. When I first started learning flares, my friend was like, swing your leg and kick your face. And that's kind of where I left off. The rest of the flare, I kind of had to figure out on my own through trial and error. And because of that, it took me a really long time to really get it down. It took me it took me a good 5 years for me to really fully understand flares. And of course, this whole process, I was working on other things. But when I really started to focus my attention on specifically flares, that's when I started to get it. So what I want you guys to do is take the challenge and I want you guys to focus your attention this next couple months to getting these flares down. Really working hard and working towards, doing multiple flares and being comfortable with them. So if you guys don't know, I have a training group on Patreon, and for the past 2 months, they have been working on specifically flares too, working towards getting them down, working towards being able to, perfect that one flare. And right now they're actually getting into executing multiple flares, right? And that's where I want you guys to join in too. If you guys are interested, you guys could join my workshop or my feedback tiers, and you guys could start learning and training along with us today. I know you guys will be joining in a little bit late, but you're welcome to watch any of our live streams or training sessions at any given point. This stuff is gonna be very, very useful for you guys in the future. So I hope that you guys could join in the fun and start working hard with us, okay? If you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything at all, leave it in the comments below. Today, I wanna leave you guys with a couple pieces of advice. Number one, perfect one flare. Get that one flare nice, get comfortable with it, be able to use all parts of your body, your legs, your arms, your hips, to execute that one flare. Once you get that one flare down, I want you guys to start drilling it, okay? Do that one flare 5 times, right? Meaning flare, stop, flare, stop. And then rest for a little bit. Then do it again. Flare, stop, okay? And get your way all the way till you do 5 sets of 5 flares. Then move on to 2 flares, 2 flares, 2 flares, and do it 5 times. Do 5 sets of 2 flares 5 times. And of course, leave a break in between, okay? Eventually, I want you to be able to hit 5 flares in a row and do that 5 times. So in that case, it'd be 25 flares. 5 flares, take a break. 5 flares, take a break, right? And be able to do 25 flares. When you get to this point, you're gonna have flares, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, make sure you guys hop into my Patreon group, whether you wanna just be present, support, or get feedback, all right? Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.